What is not traditional with fried oysters in Louisiana is what we do, marinating them in a Karaage style marinade. You'll see soy sauce and mirin and sesame oil, and most importantly, whipped egg whites that makes them crispier. We have delicious oysters here in Louisiana that are perfect for frying. I'm Billy Jones, and we're at Dr. Jones in Metairie, Louisiana. Today, we're gonna show you how to make crispy oysters with a cucumber salad with a yuzu vinaigrette and Karashi mayonnaise. So we do half all-purpose flour and half potato starch. We find that the potato starch lightens the dish, makes them crispier, but less breading on it. So there's a couple of condiments or sauces on the dish. The first is going to be the Karashi Mayo, which is it's basically just QP mayonnaise. So it's like a sweet Japanese mayonnaise. And then we spice it up with some very spicy Karashi mustard, which is a Japanese mustard. Me and my business partner, David, who own Dr. Jones, we both like the combination of oysters and cucumbers. So what I thought about it was, and why it made sense, is that sometimes you'll have West Coast oysters and the overall flavor of them will be a cucumber flavor randomly. And so it just makes sense to us to pair something hot and crispy with something light and fresh. The salad gets tossed in a yuzu vinaigrette, and you'll see Yuzu Kosho, a couple different citruses, lemon and lime, lemon oil, spicy, sour, garlicky, and gingery. Dr. Jones is our small little hole-in-the-wall in Metairie, Louisiana. We're about a 25-seat restaurant, and we're loving every second of it. We do kind of new American food, stuff that we always wanted to cook as chefs, and decided, me and David, having a restaurant of our own, to just kind of do whatever we want. There's no rhyme or reason on our menu besides it's food that we love to cook and we think it's delicious. Obviously, it's got some Louisiana-based ingredients because we're in Louisiana, but it is, all intents and purposes, a new American restaurant. I don't even like oysters and cucumbers. No, I'm just trying. Everybody loves a crispy oyster. We have delicious oysters here in Louisiana that are perfect for frying. Get a little bit of the cucumber, fresh herbs, and just drag it through the mustard. Yeah, it's great. Come try it. Here, this is for you.